Welcome everybody, and thank you very much for attending our forum. And really, I'm very happy that Omentic, the Arab Council of Operations and Maintenance, ANMA, together organized this event to refresh the maintenance management and facility management staff in the world about the new trends in maintenance. Before giving the thanks to the people who enriched our forum today, I'd like to say a big thanks or big thank you to every maintenance member and operation facility management member in the world, because they are really the real army behind the white army and the security to face this COVID-19 pandemic. So big thank you for every maintenance and operation people and facility management, and you should be proud of yourselves because you supported the first line people to overcome this COVID, and we're still in the pandemic, and we hope that we recover soon. I thank Dr. Mohammed Al-Fawzan, the chairman of the Omentic, and Exicon virtual specialists for their great help and organizing very professionally this event, especially our good team, very professional team in the Omentic with the staff of Exicon. I'd like also to extend my thanks to our moderators, our speakers in this forum, Mr. Peter Walmot, Mr. Andy, and Mr. Tom Substance from TSMC, Peter from SA Partners again, and PMRT, Professor Ahmad Shoblag, Ain Shams University, Professor Hassam Romboli, Professor Mufid Samrai, Sharjah Research Academy, UAE, Ali Suwaidi, CEO of Global Village, UAE, and our great Dr. Alan Wilson from UK, Carmichael Smith, and Mr. Franco Santini, board member of IMA, Mr. Claudio Ronaldini, Dr. Claudio Ronaldini, also IMA board member, also our media partners for their major role to spread this event, Eye of Riyadh, and also CM today. Really, it was very good experience of this first virtual forum for maintenance management organized jointly between Omentic and IMA. And I'm very happy that a lot of people attended, a good number attended this forum, and from different continents and from a lot of countries, and also from different types of professions in related to operations and maintenance and facility management, from consultants to operators to service providers to clients, the owners of the facilities, government bodies, and some organizing and regulating bodies. And this is enrich really such event. I hope that you have gained a lot of information in this event. Looking forward to organize another event very soon, and also looking to see you in our next conference in Omentic and our next conference in IMA. Hopefully, we don't know until now. Maybe it will be virtual, something like this in 2020, and hopefully face to face to see each other in next events in next year. Thank you so much again, and just I would like to remind that all the people attended this forum will be entitled to get electronic attendance certificate. Thank you again. Thank you, Omentic. Thank you, IMA, all the members, all the board members of Omentic, all the board members of IMA, all the people of Exicon. Thank you again. It's a great job, and we hope that we see each other very soon. Good health for everyone. Good luck. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.